Okay, hey everyone. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make your own business cards by using Vistaprint. So what you want to do is type in Vistaprint, go to where it says business cards, and just drag the cursor to business cards again. And here you'll see that it says standard business cards, and you can basically customize your card to how you want it, whether you want it standard, premium, premium plus, matte, glossy, standard corners or rounded corners. For my business cards, I clicked premium, glossy, and standard. And it has a quantity. You can choose however many you want and spend a reasonable amount of money. So let's start designing. So as you can see here, there's multiple different designs to choose from. I just like to go on the side and select something. Um, for for the for this video, I'm just gonna click logo and just do something really simple so that you guys can get the basics of it. I had already made my business cards already, so it's kind of hard to redo it and get it to be the exact same. So I'm just gonna do it like this. So here I'm just gonna click on it. You see, has different things. You can choose the foil or regular, whichever one you want. So let's start designing. So here it says that you can add your photo or logo. So I'm going to add my logo. Have so many pictures in my computer, so I have to scroll and look for it. Okay, there we go. So I have my logo, and unfortunately this was the wrong picture because this was one of my logos that I cropped for I think it was for my Twitter cover photo. So you're going to see me go back and find the other one, the original one. And you also want to make sure that your logo is transparent and in PNG form so that it doesn't have a white background or whatever. You want it to just look like it's just stamped on there. You don't want to look like it's just placed there. So as you can see, mine is transparent, so it's going to blend in. So because my words are black, I have to change the background. So I'm just going to go with something simple, white. So white, you can't put white on top of white, so I have to change the font color here for the first name. So first I'm going to change the color to some, that kind of pinkish color that's in my logo. And that's the good thing about Vistaprint and most other websites. Whenever you add your logo or your own photo, it kind of takes the colors that's included in that picture that you uploaded and add it into the color swatch for you. So here I'm just going to type my name. First I was going to put Maya below, but I'm just like, I'll just put that all together, Alexis Maya, and then I'll put CEO where it says last name. So then you just want to position it to how you want, how you like it, change the color, just customize it to however you want. And you don't have to choose this background. I just chose this business card one because it was just something that's cute and something that would help you all. So yeah, so I'm just choosing colors, switching everything around. And this is my first time doing the voiceover, so excuse me. But I really hope this helps. So I'm typing my phone number. Of course, it's not my cell phone number, it's my business phone number. Then I'm going to type in my website. Then I'm going to type in our email. And yeah, unfortunately, that one was white, so I have to change the color. So you just want to make it to where it fits and looks pretty reasonable, kind of cute. Like I said, these are not my business cards. I'm just showing you all how to do them. I already have my business cards complete. I actually did them on Vistaprint as well, and I just received them yesterday. And I'll attach a photo of my business cards at the end of this video. So here I'm just typing cosmetics, skincare, and hair extensions because that's the stuff that I sell. I'm gonna change the font just to make it look a little different, make it stand out, change the color. You know, I don't want to have too much pink, you know. So do that, make it a little bigger, make my logo a little bit bigger. So I tried to do it like this, but that didn't work, so I had to basically like click on edit so that it can allow me to recrop my logo and stuff like that. So you're gonna see me do that in a second. So I changed the color in the background because I have that pink in my logo, and I just feel like that shimmery pink that's already on there kind of throws off the color that's included in my logo. So I'm just gonna make it silver wherever it's that little rose gold pink color. So right here I'm gonna click the image, click crop and rotate, that way that I can make it fit to how I like it. So you just want to size it up, reasonable size, not too big, make sure nothing's being covered up. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope this helped you. You all can also expect to receive your business cards in just a few days. Remember to stay positive and to keep going and always be creative and original.